picked up this little party favor from our Dollar Tree, and it's just this little toy for children. And it came with two little balls, but I put them aside. And I started by using Rust-Oleum chalked in the linen white, and I wasn't getting the coverage that I was looking for. So I switched to Crayon in the silver, and this did it. It was one coat, and this was completely covered. I have silver pipe cleaners, and I'm going to take 3. I'm going to bend the first 2 over, hold them together like a bow, take the third, make it even on both sides, and wrap around from the left and then to the right. And I'm going to have a little part hanging for the arms, and I'm going to start bending my pipe cleaners to mimic angel wings. This does not have to be perfect. And guys, you can use any colors you want. I'm going with the silver, and again, the Crayon in the shortcuts worked great. So now I'm going to pull this, put the pipe cleaners coming from the back side where that little clicker is for the toy. And I'm going to hot glue it from the back side, allowing the 2 arms to kind of move forward, as you can see. And then I take the little arms and I just bend the ends forward and make a little loop. I'm going to take another pipe cleaner, cut it in half, and make myself a little crown or the halo. And I'm going to hot glue that at the top and place a halo. I kind of hot glue that in the back side so it looks more freestanding in the front, if that makes sense. And here we have. Guys, I really liked her just like this, just very simple. I like the caged skirt, but if you want to dress it up a little bit, you can take some ribbon and weave it in and out of the cage. I'm just going to take this fluffy garland that I found at our dollar store, and I'm going to hot glue it. You could use garland in the greenery. You can really use whatever you want. These could be for year-round. They don't have to be for Christmas. Angels are a pretty decor if you're into angels. And then I just hot glued it all the way down and then tucked it in towards the bottom. And there you go. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Merry Christmas to you from Chalk It Up Fancy. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.